Hey guys, this is $8 Yarka watercolor set, really worth 4 times the cost of this Crayola set. Stay tuned to find out. So this Yarka watercolor set has 12 colors, but this Crayola has 8. This set is $2 while the other one is $8 for the 12 set and $7 for the 8 set. The Yarka St. Petersburg student set has a detachable lid with a branding paper with the following colors of white, yellow, orange, red, a nice rosy pink, brown, purple, a yellow ochre, 2 greens, 1 light and dark, a blue, and a black. It has 2 wide wells for holding water or for mixing, and the detachable lid can be also used for mixing. It has a size 2 brush. When you get a watercolor set, I recommend using the branding piece of paper to swatch out the colors. With the Crayola set, it also has a lid. It's foldable, so you can fold it, and it has these little lines where it's like separate wells. It has 2 small ones and 1 large, and then it has the paints. These paints are a little bit different. They're oval shape and they're like half pans, and it comes with this size 3 brush. And it comes with the following colors of brown, purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, and black. Can you guess which one is done with the Crayola brand and which one was done with the Yarka brand? A is on the left and B is on the right. Comment down below which one you think is which. So even if you're a beginner or more advanced artist, the Yarka set is definitely going to be a better bet. It has better quality paints, and from time to time you can get coupons to get the set to be from $3 to $4. As far as the Crayola set, it's pretty good as well. If you only have about $2 to spend, then this set is going to be good too. If you're going to get this set, it's going to be very nice for you to just practice and help you figure out how to use the watercolor medium. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to help you learn something. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video. I have a video every Sunday, so make sure you stay tuned to see that video and don't miss any of my future content.